Welcome back, artistic family. Happy you guys are here. Thanks for joining the adventure. Today I am doing a double ribbon pour swipe. So very quickly I'll show you the colors. I have light olive green by Liquitex Basics. I have some leftover blue-green mix from my Street Pour Cloud Pour. I have the Studio Acrylics from Pebeo, as well as the red-blue from Pebeo, which has a gorgeous color shift to it. If you guys watch my Straight Pour, I will link that for you. You will see that. Absolutely gorgeous. These are iridescent paints. And then I have, this one here was black oxide, hard for you to tell, but you can see the blue in the cup. And this one here is my Artist Soft Body mixed in with the phthalo blue to give me this really deep kind of indigo color, dark navy. So let's go ahead and layer the cups. And I have a mixture here, I forgot to mention, of metallic white, Artist Loft Soft Body, and 2 parts Floetrol. So I'm going to layer the cups different. So starting off with this one, this green, and I want this super vibrant, and I want to see those iridescence on top there, and see all that gorgeous depth that it builds. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit there, guys, and I'll see you back in the pour. Oh, that green is so pretty. And then I'm just going to crisscross this. Super pretty. Okay, now I was thinking, should I swipe with black or white? And that metallic white is really reactive, and these are new paints, and I am curious, George, and I'm dying to know. So I'm going to use a couple of my great plastic swiping tools here, guys. I'm going to start off with this rounded edge, and I'm going to use the middle size and then go in with the small one. And what happens when you do that, guys, is you get different effects and you get layers, and your pour is that much more interesting.